In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube app not loading on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode. Then wait for a few seconds. Then disable it. This will refresh your network connection. Next thing you want to do is disable VPN. If you are connected to VPN, disable it, as VPNs can block or slow down YouTube connections. If the issue still continues, what you can do is offload or reinstall the app. For that, launch settings. Now navigate to the option general, click on iPhone storage, find YouTube and launch it. Now you can click on offload app, then wait for a few seconds and reinstall it, or you can completely delete the app and reinstall it. This will download the latest version of the YouTube app. Likewise, another fix is reset network settings. For that, head back, click on the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on the option reset. Now select reset network settings and go through the process. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can check the YouTube server status. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in YouTube server status and search for it. Navigate to the very first one website, Down Detector. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.